Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PowerPoint and I'm going to insert multiple pictures into this slide. First of all, we need to go to the insert menu and then we're going to go to the photo album. Okay, and here you can click on file or disk right here and choose the pictures from your device you want to add to your PowerPoint. And I'm just going to pick random pictures from my device. You can select multiple files, multiple pictures like this, and you can click on insert. Okay, and here you can choose the picture layout. You will have some options right here, and for instance, I'm going to select one picture. Then here we can also select the frame shape. I'm gonna go with simple frame white. Okay, then we just need to click on create. Okay, and now as you can see guys, that the multiple photos have been inserted into my PowerPoint on different slides. That's super simple, right? You can also change the background if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's how we can insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.